Good morning, folks. Good evening. Good afternoon, whenever you're looking at this. Happy Friday. All right. So, on Schoology, all I want you to do is do the first page of the diffusion and osmosis lab. That's all we're going to get to in class. We may actually not even finish the first page in class, but that's what we're going to do today. So first thing you probably need to do is read through the procedure that I posted on Schoology. Sorry. Read through the procedure that I posted on Schoology, and then you can complete this first page of the diffusion and osmosis lab. Sorry, I'm like communicating with students while I do the video. Just do that. It should be very similar to the movement and water potential lab that we did. Again, I will make videos for this lab starting next week, so you all have the data. This week, too, is also more of an opportunity for me to explore online virtual labs for you all to do. I think, again, the best way we're going to do this is a video next week because there's just not opportunities for us to do this lab kind of hands-on, because you need different sucrose concentrations and stuff like that, and it would just be a hassle and a lot of sugar for you all to use, and this class shouldn't cost you anything. So I'll just post videos starting next week as we go through the labs like I did last week, and I'll get you the data and we'll get things rolling. So today, again, is to get caught up on things and then finish this first page of diffusion and osmosis. Secondly, please, 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 if you have time, and I know some of you don't because you're actually in class, please, please, please make sure that you are coming to the WebEx meeting starting at 2:05 today, okay? It'll be a time for us to check in and talk with one another. Okay? All right. See where we're at. Clarify any confusion. See how we're doing in the class. Make sure things are getting turned in. Okay? So, other than that, have a wonderful Friday. Have a wonderful weekend. I wish you the best. Bye.